Instead of saying discuss about this part, say discuss the
business structure.
discuss the structure, in the structure of our
Thank you so much, Mr. Tamjid. I will discuss about our business structure. Our business structure proceed with this flow. Here we can see on the top our CEO. He is the boss of our company. CEO will make all the big decisions. And the next one is HR manager. HR manager is especially focused on the people of our company. Like people are happy or unhappy, like they are receiving their salary or not, etc. And the chief finance officer will ensure that daily tasks are done efficiently or not. And the another will especially work the field, like they in daily operation are done or not. So let's talk about our next step. I will talk about the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. AI can process a large number of data with a small time by saving time and automatically repeat the task by don't need any program. And another is AI does not any human error like calculation, decision making, data analysis, etc. If I talk about the weakness of our project, the most important weakness is high cost and additionally lack of creativity, lack of understanding, lack of some skillful people. And if I talk about the opportunity of our project, the most important opportunity is global collaboration. And additionally, new invention, enhanced productivity, etc. Everywhere has some threats, so there are also some threats. Let's talk about some threats. The main threats is job displacement. Additionally, some new invention, security risks, and competition, etc. Now I would like to call our Chief Finance Officer, Mr. Rubel. Thank you so much.